At least you didn't lose. I don't know if that's the mindset I would take. That's just you getting lucky. Probably would start with asking yourself why you revenge traded. Holy, I look so sickly in this. Oh my god. The Discord camera is making me look way sickly, bro. I got the beanie and the hoodie and the heating pad. I'm looking all tired. Hopped on here and got break even already. Felt great. What is that? Oh, are you being a troll? Bro wants me to end up typing AIDS filter in my search history. I don't know if I'd trust that.
They're about to get a lecture.
Basically, I took the same trade as other people, and they won, and I lost. Because when I put stop loss at break even, I saw price coming down to BE, and I wanted to win, so I moved stop loss lower, and I stopped out. Oof. Yeah, that's... So one thing that I always tell myself when I'm in a trade or before a trade is just respect my limits, right? So if I set a TP, respect the TP. If I set a stop loss, respect the stop loss. If I move break even, then that's what I decide to do and just respect it and leave it. Because you can't act off emotion. You know? You got to be more mechanical than that when it comes to that. Then you're just making decisions off your emotions and not what the trade's doing. Well, the thing is that's why you got to figure out how you would like to trade it and do your BEs differently. Do your BEs how you want to do it. Dodgy's not taking your trades, you are. I'm sure he does. And if you didn't read what Amy said, definitely read that. Oh yeah, strategy wise. Yeah. It's just one of those things you got to develop for yourself because sometimes it saves you and other times it doesn't, but you got to identify what works better for you. Does the break even hurt you more than it saves you? Well, then maybe you do it differently, you know. Hey, geez. Well, chat, that makes me feel way better about the short. I can't lie. I'm glad I got stopped break even. Hey, look, before we got to here though, man, look how these candles were respecting this Devil's Mark high. Nuts. All right. So we just swept out the highs to the left. Normally you'd think to look for a reversal here, but I'm not going to short with the Amazon earnings high 50 points away, 40 points away. Yeah, I got the Amazon high at 458 And then I wouldn't be surprised if... Oof. Okay, wait. Okay, I really like this gap. See how we got this wick right here inside this 15-minute? I really like that as a target. Devil's Mark is a candle that has a completely flat top or bottom, so there's no wick. So like on the 15-minute chart right here, actually, here's a Devil's Mark, which... Jeez. Okay, I'm going to mark that. No, I'm not. That's way older. Let me zoom out a bit. And those are good targets. Sometimes, like, I wouldn't be on the 1 minute chart just looking for any random like Devil's Mark candle, but like hourly open candles or like new day open candles and 4-hour candles and like news candles, I guess. But I wouldn't be just marking out any Devil's Mark candle like on the 1 minute or anything. Okay, wait. Chat, why do I want to get in another short somehow?
Because we swept previous day high.
We have all this LRLR down here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll peep this 5 minute. All right, if we V-shape this 5 minute, you catch me back in this. Screw that Amazon high. Yeah, do it, Javi. Like, check this out. In here, I just have all these executions, bro, going all the way back to November. Just bang, 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 bang. Oh my. Okay, I'm just kidding. There was a good 5 minute today, but I didn't take it because I wanted other people to say it was good as extra confluence. So, Ian, it sounds like, I mean, obviously, it sounds like you're a little bit newer. Is that correct? Like at least with IFVGs. Okay, yeah. So here's what I would do if I were you in that situation. If you see a setup that you like, that you're thinking of taking, but you want other people to say it's good, and you want that extra confluence, just take it on paper anyway to give yourself that experience and practice. Because you'll still develop that screen time and you'll develop what setups look the best. So like if you're not sure, but you're like, oh, I think I should take this, well, then maybe just paper it so that you can get the practice and you'll also build confidence in yourself on your own. Because you'll be like, oh, damn, I took that, even though nobody else said it was, or no one else said anything about it. And I took it and it worked, you know, or you take it and it fails and you learn something from that. So either way. Goodbye, 5 minute. Chat. Imagine even having a sell button on my screen right now. Like, what am I thinking, dude? Yeah, I feel like we're running up for this data high, but I'm not hopping in as bad as I want to. Chat, should we hop in now? Let's look at the hourly. So we're blasting through. Looks like we got this 1 hour about to become a breaker. That is terrible news for the Bears. The Bears. So you can see what we talked about yesterday, like this 4 hour never inversed and the 15-minute down year never inversed. So, I mean, obviously we expect higher after that. Now I feel like we're close to all-time highs again. Yeah, we're pretty close.
Are we within 1,000 points?
Oh yeah. I mean, chat, we're bullish. Like, look at this. Tap this gap. Tap this gap. Like, this is. And I hate it. I absolutely hate it. Okay, I will say this, though. We do have a lot of really good LRLR down here, okay? And if for some reason after we pop this data high, when we tap into this 1 hour and this 4 hour, and then we get a V shape down, it's possible I give that a shot. I think that'll be my condition actually for another play for me today. I gave that 2 minute a try and it felt kind of rushed. That's why the break even fast, because I had literally just sat down in the chair and I was like, I haven't even really looked at anything, but it looked good, honestly. So, but quick break even, which is fine. What's oh wait, is that the okay? This gray box, let me label it. M60 OB. Wait, M60 minus OB potential breaker. I feel like any minute this is just gonna rip through that data high. Don't chase, 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 don't chase. Oh, it's so hard. Come on, I know you guys know what I'm talking about. The conviction model. Come on. It's hard to fight the feeling sometimes. I feel like we have Fed speakers right now too, maybe.
Yeah.
And then is there a bond auction?
There already was. It wasn't much.
Oh, it already happened?
Yeah.
Bet. Okay, is there something that we're waiting on inversing here? Let's take a look. Because this stalling has got me second guessing everything here. Chat, we're on the hunt. And I think I found it. Chat, look at this big giant 4 minute gap. Extend right. And for Sibby. So, other than this 1 hour bearish OB and wait, this M4 Sibby, I still want the data high. I'm trying to find an excuse to be bearish, but I want that data high right now. I'm not anything, but I want to see it get wrecked. The Amazon? Oh. It was July 31st at 1:48 p.m. This is 4-minute Sibby that I got. Chat. Tell the market gods that I want this 5-minute. Yes. I'm just kidding. I don't know what I want, okay? I just don't want to be break even again today. That's all I want. Freaking sick of it. The Fed speakers, I can tell you exactly what they're saying. Womp womp. Womp 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 womp. Womp 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 womp. Exactly. Exactly. And then the next speaker comes up and says, "Womp womp, womp 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 womp."
Five versions of the word uncertainty.
Yeah.
In 10 minutes.
I wonder if they're uncertain. That's how I imagine this guy sounds. He gave me the specific member. Bro said FOMC member Cook. And that was the guy that I was just doing. That's crazy. That's hilarious. So yeah, I mean, as long as the feds are speaking, then it makes sense why this is chop. It's so funny. Every time it's like this, I just picture some mastermind market maker like in a like security room with all kinds of computers just with a joystick going like this with the market. You think we're going up? Yanks are down. Oh, I know the draw on liquidity's higher, but watch this real quick. Can y'all stop doing that? Just take the data high, give me a short, and just let it go. Excuse me. We must be cautious and humble when looking at data.
You know what he's trying to say, right?
That they're not going to cut rates? Yeah. Trump advisors are to push for a temporary Fed governor to fill the seat of resigned Fred Kugler. Imagine your last name being Kugler. It's pretty cool, actually. Fed Kugler. Dude, I need to sit up straight, man. This hurts. Chase Long to the data high right now. I find it weird that I take goodish setups on paper, but the eval trades and live trades I usually just don't work out. Story of my life. If I if I traded the way I do on paper on everything, no one would know who Amy and I were anymore because we'd be on an island that I bought.
Same.
We'd be on an island with nothing else to do except for be on the island. Next to the island that we bought for the kiddos.
Yeah.
They're in the same little whatever. I don't know words. I was gonna say neighborhood, but what's a neighborhood called when it's islands, bro? Isles.
Archipelago.
What did you just say? What'd you call me? What you go? What you go? Dude, why do I feel like she's right? Sucks. Oh, whoops. Chat, my paper short is getting cooked. Jeez. Damn. I genuinely just need to borrow $20 or so. That's funny. I would show mine, but I'm not logged into mine.
I logged in just for that.
I'm on my P8. Like, check that out. Come on, chat. Somebody give me a crypto fund. All right, I already tapped into this 4 minutes to be. Dude, that's crazy. That was. I want to say that was like 2 months after I started learning ICT. Everything just made more sense.
It made more sense 2 months after learning ICT. I thought you said before, and I was like, what?
No, I just grinded it all so hard that it was like in a 2 month period. I watched the 2022 and 2024 mentorship like a few times. So I was just like, this is how stuff works, huh? I got you. Okay, wait. Actually, you want to know something crazy? That screenshot is from exactly 1 year and 2 days ago.
No way.
Yep. I took that August 4th. I had been in the dungeon for a month. What's up, Mark? And the craziest part is that was an IFVG entry too. You can't see it because it's blocked by the position thing, but it was an IFVG entry. Working at the moment for a boss. What is it that you're doing? We're just watching the market slow grind up. Oh, for ISP, okay. Mm. Sucks. Yeah. I worked for AT&T call center for a while for DirecTV, and that was awful. I don't think I've. Okay, wait, no. I've definitely been more depressed, but I was definitely depressed during that. Bro, like trying to tell some little old lady whose hubby just passed away and that she can't have her cable because she don't know how to pay her bills and stuff. It's like heartbreaking, dude. Like that was like the worst thing ever. I have people like they'd be like, um, for the Super Bowl one year, the Chiefs were in the finals or the Super Bowl, and it was the winter was really really bad that year. And this lady called and she's like, "My son's playing in the Super Bowl and our cable's out." And I'm like, "Uh, we can't get a technician out there for like a week." And they're like, "What? Like, how am I supposed to do this, that?" And you're just sitting there like getting reamed, bro. It's like, "I'm sorry, little old lady. I don't know what to tell you. We can't fix it." Like, think about where you live, lady. Imagine how many other people are having the same problem you are. Like, I understand there's only so much you could do, but sometimes they were jerks, man. Like the way they make you follow the order flow and stuff, or the workflow, not order flow, the workflow. Dude, sometimes I would go back. I would go back because I'd know how to get through the workflow a better way. Like I would know what was wrong with it, and I would like go back steps and just start over and click, 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 and get to the outcome because you like have to follow the script. It's so stupid. So we tapped into this 4 minute civvy. It only took an hour to get there, but it's fine. My mind's telling me no, but the buy button's telling me yes. Dude. The data high's telling me do it. Oh man. One Dude, I left for like a year and a half and we still haven't hit it. What the heck, man? Oh, man. All right. Dude, if this doesn't start the run to the data high, I quit. We moved like a point and a half. This is so lethargic, dude. Dude, bro, man, guy, buddy, pal, sir. Friend. Let's see. If I got in here and put a stop here, 6 points? Chad, I'm plotting on being a fool right in front of everyone. What's wrong with me? Rome was not built in a day. W advice. I feel like if they would have tried harder, it could have been. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Do we like... I don't understand what the holdup is, to be honest. Like, is it not pretty clear this is where we're going? Clear! That's the sound I'm going to make before I hop in a chase trade now. Clear! Clear! I mean, I don't do that. We only trade the model. Full ports in... Yeah. Just kidding. I don't do that. Order field. Dude, some of those order filled videos, man, they need to learn how to turn that down or something. They'd be like talking and it's all order filled. Like, yo, chill. That was so loud. Hey, here's the stall. Love to see it. Imagine we don't hit the data high by 2 points and dump like crazy. It is New York session, so wouldn't doubt it.
But the data high's at 458.
Yeah. Oh, no. He's saying watch it get there by 2 points and not hit it. I feel like every FE long setup just works. It's great. Surrender. Bro, Munchies and I are jailbirds. We had no choice. Okay, I'm sorry. My bad, Munchies. I'm like scanning time frames to try and find something entertaining to talk about, and it's not working. I gotta get up and walk around for a second. Sitting in this chair is it's not comfortable, man. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Looks like we're at the same price level as when I walked away. That's cool. Exciting. I paid them off, munchies. I got it like that. I got pull. Wait, I just realized that I can pull my mic to me, bro. Why have I been making myself struggle all morning? What the heck? I just heard Amy laugh, but I don't know why. Dude, that's crazy. I've seriously been like leaning forward, making myself all uncomfortable, and I could just pull my mic to the chair. Imagine thinking. Okay, so chat, what do we want here? What's the dream scenario? I don't know if I have one. Um I mean, if we're gonna be bullish to the data high, then I guess it would be cool to get a long setup to the data high, right? So, as much as I would like to try and find a short, maybe taking a play that's with the trend makes more sense. So, we'll see. Not much going on right now though. Still. Just got this big 4-minute gap holding down. Let's see if we close above. No. So we got 11 minutes till this 1 hour candle closes, and if we close above this order block here, I feel like that'll be enough to send us higher. Like, dude, the fact that this works is so unfortunate. Like, why is something like this gotta work, but the 2-minute short to run this LRLR fails? Come on, man. Oh, wait, we're bullish. That's probably why. I mean, you know what? How about I not even make it complicated? Right now, my dream scenario is simply just FVGs. Can we just get some FVGs? That's not too much to ask for, right? I don't need to request a plus setup light bulb. Just some FVGs though would be cool. You know? I feel like every PM stream this week has been garbage. We had the 1 5-minute short yesterday that was good. But other than that, everything else has been so slow, I feel like. PM's not been the greatest this week. Okay, we left equal highs. Maybe we're going to generate some buy side in this 4-minute. Here's the macro time, but you couldn't tell. Could have fooled me. Did you guys take any trades this morning? I'm not sure about Amy, but I took this 2-minute short right before stream and got break evened. That was it. I was trying to go for just this, basically, this little swing low here. But when we got here and started stalling, I went B, so I got break even. Which was good. I'm glad I got break even on that. Yeah, I mean, I felt like the targets were good. We didn't really manipulate up super like convincingly, but I liked the setup, so I tried it. Which is already an improvement from how I was yesterday. Yesterday, my mindset was not in the best place before I ever sat down. I just don't think that I recognized it. Nice. Last night I took this. Just for on an evals. Well, on evals for 40. So that wasn't bad. But oh, dang it. Why did I do that? I left the box. We don't need to leave any boxes. We have them all over. Where did it go? Chat, where are we at? What the heck? Where is it? Oh, here. Dude, it took so long for that to go 40 points last night. I kept walking out of the room and telling Amy, I was like, I'm trying not to care. And just let it do its thing. But it's taking forever. I keep going back and looking. Like, my limits are set. And I'm trying to just let it go, but gosh dang. It's taking forever. Took the 1 minute long up to whatever that session liquidity was. Savage. Yes, I don't know why I'm streaming. Amy should be the one streaming. So I'm garbage. I take risky plays. I wish I did. You know what? Chat, let's lock in and do a little bit of analysis here. Got somewhat of a bearish SMT right now on the 15-minute. Which is weird because last night, if you look at the hourly, look what happened last night. These are literally like backwards. See how we got this like this, and this is like this. Yeah, I don't know if there was supposed to be some sauce in there or something, but yeah, that's an SMT. I guess I was just pointing it out just because. Sauce has been dropped. I don't know, guys. So now that I see that we have an SMT up here at the top, we're delivering out of this 4 minute. I wouldn't mind. Where do you short though? Like, there's nothing to. There's no gaps to short. We have to get a manipulation up. I go. A manipulation up one more time. Don't know why that was so hard to say the first time, but like, oh. I have this weird feeling that we're just gonna close above this order block and then rip. No, that's not financial advice. Thought about changing my Discord name to Financial Advisor. Just just to be funny, you know. I'm like, I guess I gotta stick to my. Oh God, I don't even want to say it. Never mind. Chat. Can one of y'all give me a signal, please? Because yeah, exactly. Not in this PA is the correct answer. I'm genuinely curious to see how the wait. Let me hit you with the best reaction in Discord. Bang. The hummingbird reaction is overpowered. Hey chat, I just realized that usually heating pads work better when they're turned on.
Oh God! Have you had it on this whole time without it being on?
Earlier it was on, but the last like 20 minutes, no. I've just been sitting here faking sick, apparently. I don't feel good. I have a heating pad, chat. It's all not even turned on. My back hurts so bad that I can't tell that it's not on. Stupid. Wait, is this an FVG?
Please let it stay like that.
Is this an FVG, guys? Come on. What we got? What we got? First FVG of the afternoon got me ready to make my buy sell buttons appear again. I'm ready to double leverage. Okay, 1 more minute till the hourly close. That is not the reaction I was expecting, but it is a reaction that I like. SMT. Man, it's going to be crazy if we don't close above this. Amy's over here praying out loud to have that stay in FVG. Stay in FVG, stay in FVG, stay in FVG. Don't do it. Don't overlap, don't overlap, don't overlap. I mean, at this point, we could get us set up, and I'm not going to have a lot of conviction in it unless the overall price action improves. Like, I don't want 1 or 2 FVGs. I want some FVGs for a few minutes. You know, like we start running liquidity or something. Get some momentum. All of this is crap. I said I needed a signal, munchies. Gosh, thanks, man. Mods, ban him. Oh, wow, there really is a difference when the heating pad's turned on. Holy. It's getting warm. I like this. Chat. I almost started the stream and called it Broken Back Sano, and you can see why I decided against that. If you know, you know. See, like, look, dude, like, we inverse this right now. I just can't. One minute mega FU long. Not just a regular one. A mega one. Chat. There's no way.
You'd have to close over the VI too.
Jump, 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 jump. Give me something A plus and I'll put 8 micros on. Give me something A plus so I can put 8 micros on. Munchies is taking play after play after play. I'm jealous. Wait, theory time? Theory time? If I give myself $300 of risk per day, what if you try and call out the high and low of day with a 5-point stop loss 6 times? Give yourself 6 tries at being right. So you just risk like $50 each time. Do it on paper? Shit. I think I almost just fell asleep. Down 20K. Dude, at this point, I think I'd rather be down 20K than down $5.60. Because then at least I know I took a genuine hardcore stab at it. So sick of being break even, dude. It's making me think thoughts that aren't going to be productive for my trading. It's turning into, like, I'm slowly starting to be like, oh man, this week isn't going as planned. And I don't want to tell myself that. Because, yeah. Paper trading god. He's a paper trading god, and it's a negative R. Yo, the win rate's crazy. Yeah, that's why I didn't. That's why I didn't even give it a rating because it doesn't deserve a rating. Really, I mean, what is that? Like a C? Down like 40K now. Nice. You, sir, get a hummingbird react. So I'm not gonna lie though, Javi. If this long happened a little bit lower and had a little bit more speed, I could probably consider that because we're just bullish enough that something like that might work. Plus we have really good draw on liquidity. We just have an S&T up here is the only thing, and oh yeah, I would like that. Dude, even if we hit this, like, even if we just hit this OB, you know? Hmm. Well, since we're doing some P&L flexing, how about this? Bang. Where's the mentorship one-on-ones are now open. You can click the WAP link underneath my P&L screenshot. Literally secured a small fry from McDonald's just now. Let's go.
Maybe. Not quite.
Wait. Nope, I didn't. We're going to have to go to the dollar store and make it count. Yeah, that's about how my week is too, I think. One red day, two break even days, I think. Actually, wait, maybe I didn't trade Monday. No, I think I traded. Wait. 8-4? Was that Monday? Yep. Okay, yeah, I did. Oh yeah. That was great. That was super great. Oh yeah, and then yesterday. Okay, so yeah, break even Monday. Yesterday was my loss, and then today I'm break even. Rip, dude. Trading's fun. Be a trader, they said. Actually, they didn't. Do you know when one should use the reverse on TradingView? Like, can you give me an example? Reverse is just when you want to switch your long position to a short position. So, like, let's say you got in down here, right? And you're in profit. And maybe up here you think that this is high of day. So you hit reverse position, and then your position is now a short, and you're going the other way. Or, like, if you're, I mean, you can basically just flop your position around the way you want. Like, let's say you're in a long and it's not working. Instead of stopping out, you can just hit reverse, and then you'd be in a short. Yeah. I always use that just to troll Amy. I always go reverse position, and I'll be like, just going back and forth with these little ranges. Never mind, go long. Yeah. So we are generating some buy side up here. I do still believe the jaws. What up, Ice King? The Amazon high, but again, the theme for PM this week has been just average PA. So, yay. Wait, so someone hit the ice and I'll hit the king. Get it? Ice king. Yeah. Well, start. Exactly. Later, man. Don't blame you. Like, it's Doji land around here. Doji land. All right, here you go, Ice King. I whipped this up just for you. Yeah, daily bias changes like pretty regularly right now. I feel like.
Morning could be bearish.
Mm-hmm.
It's just hard right now.
Yeah, I mean, okay, so we did close above that hourly OB. Which we did predict would send us higher, so yeah, I will be chasing here, and it's not financial advice. Well, man, you know it's bad when you're just desperately trying to find your way to get in. NQ. If you do this to me without a setup, I fire. That deserves a hummingbird. So Oksano giveaway. When I'm staring at the chart really, really quiet, I probably have FOMO.
True.
So, little fun fact for you guys. I mean, in reality, this is still moving pretty slow. like,
Yeah.
like we have gone up 16 points in 7 minutes. Like that's not very fast, you know. So this whole session has been slow. Maybe we put in a 1 minute OB up. Wonder if. Hold up. Okay, so ES is still slow. But maybe not for long. Looks like we might get this OB. We'll see. I want to see a good extension over this. I mean, that was okay. I would have liked if it was like a little bit higher, a little bit more convincing of an OB, but it's possible we just keep doing that and work our way up. But guys, I just want something to happen. Genuinely. I think I'm over the urge of needing to trade, and I genuinely just want some FVGs. Like, that's it. I just want to see some friggin' movement. Like, just, yeah. If I'm going to be down $5 on the day, at least give me something exciting to watch. Okay? Gosh. Oof. Are you trading? I'm trying to trade, but this is dog water, so I'm not really taking anything. But I'm logged in, ready to go. I just haven't seen anything for my model. All right. So I like that close a little better. To be honest. Probably would not want to see this go like back below this wick. Or, I draw a line on the chart and NQ's like, okay, we'll go there. Well, here, how about this one? Why don't you come up here? Maybe 350 macro pumps us. Yeah, that would be cool. Just like a big old. "30-second chart, no gaps." Ugh. Exactly. No, my Discord froze. My bad, guys. My Discord froze and I couldn't come back to the chat. Yeah, PA is really slow. Friggin' hate it. I don't even know what to. Ooh. Chat. Do we have potential entry? Yeah, because shorting the data high is a great idea. But we got like so many SMTs going on here. A little uncorrelated, actually. Dude, I've officially decided I'm not touching this anymore for the rest of the day. This is not doing anything that I am expecting it to do. And I've learned those are days I don't trade the best. It's 12:30. I tried once already. Like the only play that I would take isn't happening, which is a short after the data high. Because then we'd have good targets below. We actually swept something meaningful, and we'd be delivering out of a 4-hour and a 1-hour. And ooh. So we're in premium too. So I guess that's my dream scenario because I'm not seeing really with the way PA has been, I'm not really seeing the way I get in long here. I don't know how. Chat, I'm just being real. Like, when I'm looking at the chart right now, do I see anything that's like, man, I want to risk real capital on this? Not really. Yeah, like if I was on an eval or something, maybe, but I don't know. I have zero confidence in what we're seeing right now. So, fundeds, I'm probably done. And I'm already locked out from evals from last night. Like I manual locked out. So I can't trade on them. Even the PA and AM was ass. Or I was ass at reading price. Yeah. Dude, that's how I feel. Like either the PA is bad or I don't know what the hell I'm looking at. Like I don't know what I'm doing. That's how I feel right now. It's just nothing's super clear. Like we ripped to buy side without doing anything here. It's just all random. Everything's slow, like nothing's moving with authority or conviction. It's all a bunch of small candles. We've been in a 30-point range for an hour. Like, does anything about that scream high probability? Not to me. Not funded account probability. Nope. As much as I'm like, I feel like I'm like, oh, well, I might be willing to try something. None of this is making me want to try anything. That's the problem. Like I would. But we're not doing anything, so I don't know what else to do. Except sit and watch. Come on. Just pump this data high so I can stop whining. Okay. Just do it. Please. Like, please just pump to the data high, dude. Tired of the games. Okay.
Is that data high on ES?
Well, ES is lower than NQ right now, so I would assume it's still there. Oh wait, we just broke the SMT. Let me check. Oops. What was the date on that? Thursday the 31st. Dude, ES is a mess. What time was it at? Like 4 something?
Yeah.
Four.
4:30, 4:45, somewhere in there.
Wait, Thursday. Here it is. Oh, wait. Is it this one? 401. Yeah, it's at 401. So let me draw that out. Yeah, no, it's way lower. Chat, I don't want to be that guy that's like trying to expose anybody, but I think I just heard Amy say, "Don't do this to me."
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I told you. Jeez. Man.
Listen, like,
Exposed by the hubby. Supposed to be the most loyal and keeper of secrets.
bro, it wasn't like that. Uh, man, this PA is weird.
Yeah.
Like, I'm like not a fan of this at all. Oh, that's just code for pump. Just pump. It's code for that. Later, man. Yeah, dude. I also CBA, but whatever. Can't be asked.
Mm.
Uh. Oh wait. Go settings. trading and have your instant order placement on. I think that works. Yep. Chat, what the F, man? You know what, chat? Forget it. We're doubling up the size, and we're just going to get in now. Do you guys know how many times during stream so far that I've thought we were going to run up to this data high and haven't? Like, this is a freaking joke, man. Seriously.
Really tough, PA.
It's... Chat. I don't know. We're switching to London. Oh, wow. Walked away for a year and a half again. We still haven't moved again. Crazy.
Okay, Bubba. Ah, please.
Freaking SMTs all over the place. Excuse me. Jeez, I hope no one heard that. Dude. Never mind. Like, what is this, man? The 4-minute did not inverse. Looking at this 5. Wow. Are you kidding me?
Oh, that's funny.
Bro. Don't you do this. Dude. No way that doesn't inverse right there, man. Like, I was genuinely ready to give that a try. I can't lie. We didn't get the inverse. Dude. And Q, there's a lot of things that I could say about you today, but I'm not going to. What up, Apoff? Been eyeballing this 5-minute for days, and then we get this no inverse here, and it's probably going to go without me. I know, but it didn't inverse. It barely didn't, and then it's just going now. 4-minute also never inversed either, and the 4-minute's a little further. Yeah, forget it. Dude, I'm going to log out before I make a mistake. That's 12:50, man. Inq, you're so full of poo-poo today. Are we at all-time highs? Not yet. Hey, Jonathan, are you here? Check this out. So I'm in this paper short, right? See how it's going against me? If I wanted to switch long, I can do this and hit reverse, and now I'm in a long from up here. Does that make sense? Yeah, it closes out the other one and puts you in a new one. Yeah. Tough day today, guys. Honestly. I'll stay on for one more minute to see this macro candle, and then I'm going to hop off probably. Oops. Okay. She's trying to make me blush. Cool. Right in front of everyone. Yes. Best reaction ever. 15 seconds to the macro, pump or dump. Get the predictions in fast. I'm not muted. Bang. That's so freaking stupid, chat. Dude, I just got the glare face at NQ today. What the heck, man? 5-minute order block down. Never got the inverse. Literally, that's so tragic, dude. All right. All right, chat. I think that's enough for me today. I don't want to sit in this chair anymore. And I'm feeling frustrated, so. I will see y'all this afternoon for a charting sesh. As soon as I'm able to stop making pouty faces at NQ for the day, I'll do the charting sesh. But right now, I'm stuck in eye roll mode. No data high, no 5 minutes short, break even. Screw you today, NQ. I'm so sorry. That's rude. I take it back. We're going to paper this 30-second chat. Swept these lows out. Delivery from the 30-minute. Hello. 5-minute invalid. Yeah, I know. It's great. You know what, chat? That's just how it freaking goes sometimes.